Hi, this is Selena from Edge Bar, and I'm going to walk you through behind the scenes of the making of my latest cocktail creations made from upcycled ingredients. Who doesn't like a good cup of coffee? But what happened to the coffee grounds? Well, we add some whiskey, homemade cola syrup to sweeten it all, top up with some soda water, and job done. I think we can all agree that cucumber peels make a great cocktail garnish. The rest of the cucumber though makes a healthy, refreshing juice. And same goes to unused pineapples, which results in the perfect low-calories, non-alcoholic cocktail. Finishing up with a nice dose of vitamin C from upcycled oranges, a tangy note of unappealing passion fruit, topped up with toast beer, which is brewed from unsalted bread loaves from all over UK. Thank you for tuning in, and can't wait for you to have a taste.